hope I got it. I hope I got it. I hope I got that comment. Going down the southeast. I hope I got a little bit of it. We're going to have another one. Where is it? They fly right in between them. It's a perfect time to get them. But we got some great sights this morning. We're back out. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Right between the wires. Looking due west. Oh, I hope I got that. I hope I got that. Told you there's gonna be a lot of electrical activity coming up, man. Said 3 days ago. Prepare for a lot of electrical activity. Look at that. Oh, is that beautiful? Look. Oh, see, that's beautiful, man. Different colors and everything. Look how beautiful that looks, though. You can see the orb right there. Yeah, you can see the orb. I know the screen is a little checkered. Oh, did you capture that? See what I'm saying? So you gotta know when these things are coming around, man, to capture these events. I captured one last night, too. Lasted for about 11 minutes. They don't last that long. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. Oh, they killed them with that. See how that works, guys? I said it, man, 3 days ago, man. We're going to have a lot of electrical activity. And there it is for you. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. Look at all the colors looking due west. See it in the upper atmosphere. Oh, watch a big one come. They're going to kill them with this one. Oh, it's going to be, I told you, you see the orb? Shadowed, the lightning shadowed, the orb shadowed the lightning. Or the dish, I tell you, I can't really, ooh, look at that. You know, I don't know if it's electromagnetic or highly charged ions from the sun. Plasma, I don't know. Oh, look how that is. We killed them with that one. I keep telling y'all fellas, man. You know, this is an event to be documented for people to see, 1,000 years from now and be like, oh, snap. Oh, look at the orbs up top. Yeah, you killed them, look. I told you they're going to be right there. See, the big blue one? Yeah. Ooh, they killed them. The other one is down. Yeah. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. Oh, killed them. Just, I gotta stay up a lot. To keep tabs on the system. You see, I gotta stay up. And sometimes, coffee doesn't do the trick. Look at that, the dragon. Of course, the dragon comes. Oh, look at the steam. He's mad at somebody. Look how far the steam goes. Killed him. Oh, you didn't do it to him again. Oh, you did. Yep, you did. That's the beauty of our cosmos, man. Look, it gives you this, man. They're like 24 million miles away, but they're big, dude. They big, man. They big. If you were on Saturn, Jupiter would actually look big to you. I swear, isn't that sweet? Hey, come on, don't be bothering me now when I'm doing God's work. See, look, see, it's the dragon. Told you. See? Oh, I missed that. Did you see that? You killed them with that one. Oh, you killed them. You see, this is such an awesome event, man. Awesome, man. This is an awesome event. And, to follow this, you gotta be like, oh, I gotta know where to look. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know where to look, fellas. Oh, look how beautiful that was. See? And, it's like I said, when they come around like this, we in certain positions, this, you can figure out when this is gonna happen. See? Last time it happened in the southern states. Yeah, but this time it's called Pear because it's looking beastie up in here. But this is, see, the wind is blowing. Every time, I said it, every time these things cross, the wind picks up. That was just beautiful. See how beautiful that is? See? It comes right in your face. You're going to be like, dang. You got to understand, man, this stuff it's an awesome event. And, to capture, this in a scientific kind of way, doesn't defeat the purpose of the Bible, because again, this does all the confirmation for us, and it does all the oohs and ahs for us, right? Painted by the finger of God. Oh, you just did it to him again. And if a van pulls up and bunch of dudes jump out, I only hope they're from NASA. Man. Come on, we got a few questions for you. My dark photon theory. Just like there's light photons, there's also dark. It's like gravity waves, can shade light and distort it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? See how it's coming around? See, it's not going to lightning too much anymore. We can give you one more, see? Stop, because it's just this one, then you don't get to see it no more. That's beautiful, though. Look at the colors and everything. The planet sitting there on the horizon, and the big one is the white one, and the big blue one is there, and then here comes, ooh, see? They come around. They give me one more flash before I jack. Alright, so that's cool. See how that looks, though? Awesome, My screen might be checkered and all that, but that's cool. And that's where they're really at. That's not a reflection because the lightning's over there. So you're actually seeing them as they are. Of course, just like the moon is magnified. Ooh, I just missed that. The moon is magnified on the horizon. Well, so are these. These are also magnified. They're big still, but they're also magnified by our horizon. So that's how we roll. Just an awesome sight this morning. It's about, 4th? Whatever. Checked my clean. Went pickety towel. Checked the time. I'm like, I gotta do this. And it's late. And I gotta go to work. I work almost every day. Okay? I'm sure my job is a lot more difficult than other people's jobs, but I do it. I'm normal. All right. So That's beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. I just can't take my. Can we get a heart for the ladies? I don't know. That's what I kind of been waiting for. Come on. You see, look how that looks down there. Look, it's the Millennium Falcon, man. I'm telling you. See that? See? See how they made a right through there? Looks like the Millennium Falcon, don't it? No, an X-Wing fighter. A Romulan warbird. I don't know, but man, I'm telling you. Oh, you see it lit up? Oh, you killed them with that one. Man, you killed them with that one. Man, I hope my buddy Steve Olson says, that was neat, right? That was kind of neat. I really like Steve Olson, though. I've always followed him because I knew there was something always good in him. Even though he was working for the cabal. Oh, look at that. Then an infliction came. He turned right. His boy's getting better. God bless. Many more prayers go to him. We love Steve Olson. Keep it up. You're doing better. All is good. When you just, nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect, but his good is just as equal, to my good. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Wow. See how that works? Isn't that beautiful? I told you it's only going to last like 11 minutes. No more lightning. You might get one or two more, but look at that. Couldn't get much more beautiful. Oh, look at that. See, that's the Lord saying good night.